Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to do today is a full face of Revolution makeup. The only thing I didn't have was eyebrows or primer, so I've already primed my skin and done my eyebrows, but the rest of it I already have, so let's get into it. I think I'm going to start off with my eyes, so I haven't carved out my brows as you can see, so I'm going to use the Revolution Cut Crease canvas to do so. Okay, and then for eyeshadow, I'm just going to use the Soph X palette. This is like her first one. The colours aren't like super bright in it, so I think I'm gonna do like a sort of cut crease sort of thing with it. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade first. It's sort of like peachy shade. And then I'm gonna blend that out with this sort of like lighter peachy shade. Okay, and then I'm gonna like pop a wee bit of this sort of like pinky shade, just sort of like in the outer corner and crease, just to add a bit of like pinkiness into it. And then just add a little bit of depth. I'm going to put in this sort of like burgundy shade into like the very outer corner and like a little bit in the crease. And then I'm just going to use that cut crease canvas thing to do a half cut crease. It's like very built up on the brush, so I'm going to put a bit in the back of my hand and then just work it from there. And then, just to make it a little bit different, I'm going to go in with this green on top of the cut crease. I was going to try using my finger because it didn't give me too much of a... Wow, yeah, use your finger for these eyeshadows. That works so much better. And I'm just going to sort of blend that in where we got with the eyeshadows. That's pretty. I feel like the outer corner needs a bit more darkness, so I'm gonna go in with the that brown there and see if we can get a wee bit more gets into the outer corner. Yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, that's what it needed. Okay, so next I really want to put on lashes, but I just feel like it doesn't show off the mascara. So I'm gonna like do the rest of my face and then maybe put on lashes at the end or something. But next I'm gonna go in with foundation. I have the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Foundation in F1. I've never tried this before, so I have no idea what it's like. My only thing with this is I'm very like yellowy toned, and like I was trying to go for like a darker one as well for whenever I fake tan, and they all go very, very orangey the darker you go. I don't find that with the other foundations, like just the normal Revolution ones, like the Conceal and Define or like the stick one or anything. But these seem to go really orangey the further up you go. I'm not even sure about how good this one's gonna be, but this is the lightest shade that they do in this foundation. Currently in Superdrug it's around like $3.50, so I was like, I'm gonna have to buy it and try it. Very, very thick. Like I usually use this foundation or this brush, sorry, for foundation, and it like blends it out really quickly, but like it's really struggling. Like it's like pulling foundation rather than just like moving it about. I think the colour's okay actually. It's like, it's slightly orangey. I can sort of see it, but it's light enough that like I don't think you would ever be able to catch it, but I think the darker you go it definitely does get more orange. Next I'm going to use the Fast Face Concealer in the shade C1 because I'm super pale. To set that all, and bronze and contour and highlight, we're going to be using the Powder Contour Pro HD in Fair. So I don't have like an actual powder, so we're just going to use this to do everything, like my face and my skin. I don't know if this powder is going to be too dark, but we'll wait and see. It's okay. Yeah, that definitely threw my colour off a little bit, but it's okay. I should have picked up a powder. Doesn't matter. And then to bronze, I think I'm gonna have to go in with a mixture of these two. And then I think I'm going to use this shade to contour. And then the highlight, obviously I'm going to use the highlight shade. The highlight is bomb. And then I'm going to go in with the brown, the burgundy, the pink, that shade, to underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with this shade just to highlight everything. Okay, and then for mascara, I have the Revolution Waterproof mascara. And then for lips, I have the lip liner from one of those lip kits. This is the shade Rain. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. It is way lighter than I thought it was, but we'll make it work. And then I've got the just one of their lipsticks. This is Chauffeur Rose Gold Lipstick Chauffeur. That's all it says. Yeah, that is the finished look. You could put on eyelashes if you want. I can't be bothered, but lashes would definitely make this look, just, you know, just that extra little bit of glam. But yeah, I love Revolution makeup. I never have any complaints about it whatsoever. Like, it's so cheap, and look at what you can do with. So like, I would say all of this put together was probably under maybe £35, maybe even less. Like, it's so cheap. Like, I cannot recommend it enough. Like, even some of the brushes I was using are a Revolution. Like, it's just amazing. I just would fully recommend it to everybody. But yeah, that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please go to like and a thumbs up. I think that's the same thing, but we'll go with it anyways. Yeah, until next time guys, bye!